Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Hey people, we're back with 30 days of questions. This is day 11. Okay, here's our question. I think I flooded my chainsaw. Now what do I do? Please help me. Steve, what do you got?
I actually think I remember that guy asking me that question on one of the comments. I love it when you guys put comments down. That is a super common question, and it's a super common thing that actually does happen to you if you choke it too much. And you're flooding your engine all the time. You don't even realize now you have too much fuel in there and your engine's not starting because there's too much fuel in it. If you think you flooded, this doesn't just apply to chainsaws either. It's weed eaters and leaf blowers and all kinds of two-stroke engines. If you do the same thing. It's kind of similar to what you did with your old cars and trucks way back in the day. If you think you flooded it, what you want to do is make sure that your choke is turned off so you're not choking it and flooding it more. In other words, you want your choke in the run position as if it's running when you're using it. And then you pull the trigger and that opens the other side of the carburetor, so now it's just straight through ventilation kind of thing, like right through the carburetor. And you just start pulling that rope over and over and over again, and all of a sudden you're probably going to start to hear it cough, and it's trying to start and it's trying to start, and you just keep pulling that rope with that trigger pulled over and over again. And then a lot of times this works like so often, it starts to fire up, and then all of a sudden it's running and you have smoke and gas shooting out the muffler, and then it revs up and you're revving it, and now your chainsaw is running. There are other ways to do it. If you don't want to do it like that, you can actually take your spark plug out, tip it upside down, see if any gas is draining out of the cylinder with your spark plug out, things like that. Anyway, for the full length videos on how to do that properly using tools or using no tools, the videos are in our playlist if you want to check the full videos out, very thorough. And that's it.
Awesome.
Good enough?
I think you answered that, and I really hope that helped our viewer out that sent in our question.
Yeah.
Give us a thumbs up, please. That would be great.
2 thumbs ups.
That's right. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you missed our previous questions, don't forget to check the description under the video, or you can go back to our channel at any time. Stay tuned for the next question coming up. That's day 12, and it's on two-stroke engines. Oh, I wonder what that's about.
Oh, I can't wait. I love two-stroke engines. Right on.
And that's it for today.
And April and Steve out.